was kissing you with my eyes open, but you said
안녕, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make rice burger, 밥 버거. I'm gonna make a burger bun with cooked rice. This is perfect for a simple meal or lunchbox. Just one bite, you can taste various flavor and texture. It's pretty fun to make, especially kids will love it. You can customize the ingredients between the rice buns, but I'm gonna show you the best combination. And when you make the rice burger, you will need short grain rice like this to make the bun shape. Long grain rice is not appropriate. Okay, then let's set the table. Let's prepare the ingredients. Open the canned tuna and drain the oil. In a bowl, put tuna and add mayo. Mix well. Then prepare the pickled radish and kimchi. You can use pickled cucumber as well. Chop the pickled radish and kimchi in small pieces. After that, fry the kimchi with oil. Through the process, it increases the flavor. Next, heat the oil in a pan and fry the egg. Let's shred the dried laver. I recommend you use salted dried laver. It tastes better than unsalted one when you make this dish. And prepare the cooked rice. In a bowl, put rice and add shredded dried laver and a pinch of salt. Mix well. Let it cool for a while. When you make the shape of rice burger, you will need a bowl and plastic wrap. Wrap the inside of a bowl like this. Okay, then preparation is over. Let's make a burger. Spread half of the rice on the bottom. After that, place the ingredients step by step. The next one is tuna. Spread well. And in the order of chopped kimchi, fried egg, chopped pickled radish, and cheese. Lastly, cover the top with the rice. Then wrap it well and turn the bowl upside down. Pick up the wrap and cut it in half or enjoy the whole thing. Rice burger is done. You might worry about falling down, but it's okay because the rice is sticky. Okay, let me taste. Grab like this. I can taste tuna, egg, pickle, kimchi, cheese, and what else? Rice at the same time. Especially I love the combination of tuna and fried kimchi. Tuna is very tasty because it was mixed with mayo. And the fried kimchi takes the greasy taste away. Best combination. You don't have to put dried laver into rice bun, but I highly recommend it. It adds color like this and it takes the flavor to another level. And it smells so savory. Today I made pop burger. You can make it easily at home. If you like this recipe, then thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can find more recipes for Korean cuisine. See you next time. Bye. 안녕.